Top 10 destinations in Belize. Occupying one of the last remaining unspoiled places on Earth just south of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, Belize is a beautiful Caribbean getaway where tourists can laze away on white sandy beaches, dive in the Western Hemisphere's largest barrier reef, hike through lush jungle, and explore ancient Mayan ruins all in one vacation. An English-speaking country with a multicultural population, Belize is best known for its tropical beauty and outdoor adventures. The hundreds of cays and coral islands are also among the best places to visit in Belize, with their stunning beaches and world-class diving sites. 10. Belize City. Belize City is the largest city in Belize. It is located on a small peninsula at the mouth of the Haulover Creek. It was the capital city until flooding and other damage from a hurricane prompted the government to relocate it to Belmopan in the 1970s. 9. Hopkins. The small village of Hopkins, south of Dangriga and stretching along a bay, is probably best known as the cultural center of the Garifuna population in Belize. The Garifuna are the descendants of African, Island Carib, and Arawak people. The town hosts its own national holiday, Hopkins Day, and welcomes people for their celebration on Garifuna Independence Day as well. They do this with drum ceremonies that can last till early hours in the morning. 8. Coxcomb Basin Wildlife Sanctuary. The Coxcomb Basin Wildlife Sanctuary, also known as a Jaguar Reserve, is one of the biggest protected destinations in Belize. Although roughly 60 of Belize's 700 jaguars are believed to live in the sanctuary, the chances of seeing one are very slim. 7. Tobacco Cay. Tobacco Cay is a small island located at the northern end of the Southwater Cay Marine Reserve, approximately 16 kilometers, 10 miles, from Dangriga. Travelers to this island can choose from 6 different small and modest lodges in which to enjoy some rest and relaxation. Over the years, this cay has earned a devoted following among backpackers and snorkel and scuba enthusiasts. 6. San Ignacio. Located about 35 kilometers, 22 miles, from Belmopan, San Ignacio is a friendly, relaxed town offering a pleasant climate, good food, inexpensive hotels and frequent bus connections. Surrounded by rivers and forested hills, it's an ideal base from which to explore the Mayan ruins and nature reserves in the region. 5. Ambergris Cay. The largest of Belize's several hundred islands, Ambergris Cay is a dreamy, tropical place where shorts and flip-flops are the dress code, golf carts are the mode of transportation, and lazing away on sandy white beaches is the primary activity. 4. Pla-Chenche. A long, narrow peninsula of sandy white beaches hugging Belize's Caribbean coastline, Pla-Chenche is a popular destination for beach lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The most popular attraction in Pla-Chenche village is the paved pedestrian path known as the Sidewalk, a strip lined with shops and numerous bars and restaurants. 3. Caracol. Situated high on a Baca Plateau, 500 meters, 1,650 feet, above sea level, Caracol is the largest Maya site in Belize. It was once one of the largest ancient Maya cities, with an estimated population of about 150,000, more than twice as many people as Belize City has today. 2. Cay Caulker. Cay Caulker may not offer the beautiful beaches of Ambergris Cay, but its casual atmosphere, cheap prices and abundance of bars and restaurants draw numbers of backpackers and tourists who are looking for a break from traveling around Central America. A small island accessed by small plane or water taxi from Belize City, Cay Caulker is not a place for sightseeing, but rather, a place to simply hang out and relax. 1. Belize Barrier Reef. The Belize Barrier Reef is a 300-kilometer, 190 miles, long section of the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef System, the second largest coral reef system in the world after the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. It is Belize's top tourist destination, popular for scuba diving and snorkeling and attracting almost half of all its tourists.